Welcome to this episode of the Digital Jampreneur. In this episode, we're going to talk about bonuses, and I'm going to go back to the family tree. Yes, my family tree, and talk about my grandfather, which is where I really learned about how to put together bonus packages. Now, my mother is from South America. She was born in Guyana, while my father was born right here in Jamaica. So I am half Jamaican and half Guyanese. And today we're going to talk about the Guyanese side of the family. Let's go. Hey, it's Alicia Little, and today I want to talk to you about bonuses. Listen, every time you sell something, you need to have your bonus offers together. I don't care if you're selling digital products like courses or a online membership, or you're selling something physical like clothing or earrings or flour. You need to have your bonus packages put together. Sometimes when I sell my courses, the value of the bonuses are bigger than the value of the course, and the perceived value to the prospective buyer is so great that they can't pass up getting this package because they want the bonuses so bad. So what bonus packages have you put together that your prospective buyer becomes a buyer because they can't live without that bonus? They cannot live without it. It's something that they want, and it's something that they feel that they need. They need the course that you're offering. They need the dress that you're selling, but they want the bonus so bad that they have to buy that thing so that they can get the bonus. Now, I've always grown up just hearing about my grandfather and his bonus package that he put together that was so successful. He was able to use the money from his business to take care of a family. He had 12 kids and help them to immigrate over to Canada from South America. You see, my grandparents, this is them in the photo right here. This is my grandfather, Joseph Gonzalez. This is my Uncle Brian and my grandmother. And they were born in this country in South America called Guyana, but that's not where the story starts. It starts in Portugal, where my grandfather, Joseph's great grandmother, Mary, was born in 1830 in Madeira, Portugal. And at this time in Portugal, the economy and the politics, it was hard living in this time in Portugal. And at the same time in Guyana in 1834, slavery was abolished, and the sugarcane plantations there and the other plantations, they needed laborers. So in Guyana, they went to Portugal, and about 35,000 Portuguese from this island called Madeira were taken over to Guyana as contract laborers, or indentured servants, if you want to call them that. And so Mary and her family went over to Guyana as contract laborers from this island, Portugal, called Madeira. And she had a contract to work for 5 years. So she fulfilled her contract. And after 5 years, her brother said, "Don't work anymore. I'm going to keep working and support the family." His name was Manuel, and he kept working and supported everyone. Now, my grandfather's parents had, I think, 5 kids or 7, somewhere around there. But my grandfather's father, Augustus, was often ill, and so his sons had to help him on the sugarcane plantation. He got a lot of help from his son, Augustino, who is pictured right here with his beautiful wife, Lucy, and their baby, Sydney. And Augustino helped his father on the plantation, but he wanted more. So after he married Lucy, he decided that he was going to start his own store. They bought a house and they built a store in the front of their house, or a store was in the front of the house, and it did well. So Augustino decided that they should expand. They opened another store, and they put my grandfather, Joseph, in charge of that store. So Joseph Gonzalez is in charge of this store, and he also gets a percentage of the profits that this store is earning. And he gets excited about store ownership and decides that he wants to own a store of his own. Joseph gets married to my grandmother and they move to a village. It was called Triumph Village. And back then it was also called Better for Wagton. And so it was, or it is really close to Georgetown, which is the capital of Guyana, as you can see right here on this map. Now, we grew up hearing the stories about my grandfather's bonuses. I don't know, my mom just constantly told us this story. This is my father and my mother and me and my sister, Lorette. I'm the taller one in this picture. I'm not taller now, so I like this picture because I'm taller than my sister, my younger sister in this picture. But yeah, my mom told us the stories about how he ran his store and was a successful businessman. So the story that I love the most was his special bonus for buying flour. So if you bought a 5-pound bag of flour, not a 1 pound, not a 2 pound, he had his minimum. It was a 5-pound bag of flour. You would get a free piece of silverware. Now, there were other corner stores around him. So they were on a busy corner. There were other corner stores on the other corners, but he had this idea of hooking his target market, making his bonus irresistible. And while they were in there to buy this item because of the special bonus, well, he knew that they were going to go shopping and fulfill everything else on their package that they, the shopping list to do's. So yeah, this is what he did. And let's break down his bonus offer. So what did they have to purchase to get the bonus? A 5-pound bag. He had his minimum purchase, right? So this is his minimum purchase. This is his package. This is his offer. And why did he choose silverware as the bonus? Well, number one, everyone needs it. It's used every single day. And if you've got kids, sometimes it goes missing. Number two, his target audience is who? Who was the buyer back in the day? It was women. They would come in to buy the groceries for their family. So he knew that this is something that women wanted, right? They needed it, but they really wanted it. So if they had a lot of kids, well, they need a lot of spoons. I mean, flour. You see what I did right there? He knew that they needed and wanted a lot of silverware. And now they got it free just for purchasing something that they already needed, which was a 5-pound bag. Now, if they already needed the 5-pound bag of flour, why was he offering a special bonus? It's already something they were going to buy. Well, because they have choices. They could have bought from any of the other 3 stores that were on the other corners at this busy intersection. So he made the offer irresistible so that they would buy from him and then buy their other groceries and items that they needed that he offered in his store. So I want you to think about Joseph Gonzalez and think about what bonuses can you add to your offer that your target market wants? What bonuses can you offer that when they keep buying from you, they get more of that bonus? And what bonus can you offer that your customer feels like it's part of a set, so they need to keep buying from you to keep getting these bonuses? I want you to think about this the next time you put a bonus offer together. And I don't care if the bonus offer is for digital products or physical products or coming to your Airbnb, right? There's special bonuses if you come to my Airbnb. It might be an airport pickup, or, it might be a bottle of Jamaican rum. Who knows? There's different bonuses. It's a lot of times it's wine on the bed. So I offer special bonuses whenever possible in every aspect of all my businesses. What are your bonuses? And the next time you put together an offer, remember Joseph Gonzalez and his flour with his special bonuses of silverware. I know that I've always remembered this story, and it's helped me to always think about what bonuses am I offering that my target customer wants and needs. And now I'm guaranteed that they're going to buy from me instead of my competitors. That's all I've got for you. Bye for now. Put together those bonuses. I hope that you enjoyed this episode of the Digital Jampreneur. And to tune in and watch other episodes, please visit internetincomejamaica.com, click on Digital Jampreneur, and you can watch our previous episodes. Also, check out our courses. Go to internetincomejamaica.com, click on courses, and you'll see all that we have to offer. Until next time, bye for now.